Good afternoon, students. So now, after the fantabulous victory in the Supreme Court case and the win of all the students in getting NEET PG exam as a single shift exam, now NB is facing serious challenges in conducting this exam on June 15th. They're trying their best, and the major challenge is arrangement of more than 900 exam centers. और ये exam centers के लिए it has come to the unofficially it has come to the notice that they have approached a third party, that is TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, for getting 900 more exam centers in India. Apart from the exam centers, those exam centers should be equipped with all the modern security measures like jamming and other securities like surveillance systems, etc. should be there, so that to prevent cheating. Because see, the exam is computer based, and computer based systems may be cheating ke chances hain. The technology is so advanced that cheating is not a problem. Like, cheating can be done if somebody wants to do the cheating. So government and NB has to take adequate measures to prevent this cheating. Okay. So now this is the major challenge in front of NB. So let's see what happens. As on date, the exam is going to be on June 15th in single shift. Now today, one more update is that the exam city updation intimation slip will be coming on your website. So you can go to the website of nb.edu.in and you can go log in with your user ID and password, and you can see your exam city's intimation slip. You can note down the exam city that you are going to get. Knowing the city will help you in making your travel arrangements so that you can book the flight or train or whichever way you are going there, and you can also book a place, a hotel somewhere in that city. So the admit cards will be released on June 11th as per the intimation that is there on the NBMS website. Now, if any student has any issue, they can contact the help desk. The number is there given on the website. Another important thing now, third thing that I would like to tell you is, now these last 13 days, practice a lot of MCQs, do rapid revision. I am on my YouTube channel, I'm uploading daily MCQs. I'm discussing them in detail along with and touching a little bit of pharmacology here and there also related to that MCQ, so that we have a comprehensive understanding, comprehensive discussion in a very short time. Now we don't have time to go through all the chapters like revising them one by one. What we can do is do a lot of MCQs. These MCQs are based on past year questions, past year topics, and the practice of these MCQs in these last days will help you, really help you in enhancing your MCQ solving ability in the exam. So please do that. I plan to do a 1 hour live session next Sunday, most probably. So we'll have a live session on next Sunday, and in that live session we can talk about things related to your course also, or other things also which are bothering you, which you would like somebody to explain to you. So it will be like a 1 hour discussion session. You can post your questions in the comment box, and one by one I'll take the questions and we'll answer.